Hey guys, Candida here, and last year I bought these garden and leaf rake scoops, and they've been amazing. We have a ton of trees, and we were spending a lot of time out raking the leaves and trying to get them piled up and put into the trash. It was just a hot mess. And so I knew I needed something different to help us with this chore. I went to Amazon and I bought these rake leaves, and I love them. They do have the little rakes here on the bottom, and so it does help us when we are trying to rake. We can do that. But what I really love about it is they fit in my hands. All I've got to do is slide my hand here, and now I am ready to scoop leaves. The fact that my hands fit and they look like little claws, my kids love this and they actually love to help, and they don't fuss now when we've got to do leaves. But when we're ready, all we've got to do, and I've got a huge pile, and I can simply put these in the trash can. And so all I've got to do if I need to get rid is I can use this to really help me rake and get a pile picked up. So if you're looking for something to help you with raking leaves or just your outdoor lawn care, you might consider these. I hope you found this review helpful.